Hello friends, let us now learn some important points about antiviral agents. So in the antiviral agents, this is the cell. Think that this is an human host cell. Now here if you see the virus has entered the cell. Okay, first this virus will bind to the cell. Once it binds to the cell, it loses its coat outside. Only the proper, that is, it loses its capsid outside, and only the proper virus will enter into the cell. Okay, then once it has entered into the cell, only the genetic material will remain and all the other structures will get digested, like the cell membrane, cytoplasm, all those will get digested and only the DNA will remain. Okay, so this genetic material will undergo reverse transcription to form DNA. Right, now this DNA gets integrated in the nucleus and then it undergoes one more transcription and it forms RNA. Later this RNA undergoes translation to form protein. Then this protein undergoes viral assembly and it forms viruses. Then finally this protein undergoes viral assembly and it forms the virus proper. And finally, in the presence of the in the presence of protease, this viral assembly will form a complete virus along with the cell wall being obtained from the membrane of the host cell. Okay, so this is how this process normally occurs. So in the HIV cell there is GP41 and GP120. So with the help of this GP41 and GP120, first and foremost HIV viral cell will bind to the host cell and then it causes fusion and uncoating. Then this will result in this DNA now undergoes reverse transcriptase. This binding will occur with CCR5 and CXCR4. With reverse transcriptase, there is formation of DNA. RNA of the HIV gets converted to DNA. Now this DNA undergoes integration into the nucleus and then there occurs transcription where it forms where the DNA gets transformed into RNA. Okay, into RNA in transcription. Now with the help of translation, the RNA gets converted to proteins. Now there is viral assembly will occur, leading to formation of final virus, and in the presence of the integration is done. For integration we need viral plus CD4 DNA is required for integration. And finally with protease there is full viral assembly while the cell membrane is obtained from the host. So we will see the drugs. First drug is this binding can be inhibited by CCR5 antagonist. Fusion can be inhibited by fusion inhibitors. Reverse transcription can be inhibited by nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitors and non-nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitors, whereas integration can be inhibited by integrase inhibitors. Then protease, the enzyme protease can be inhibited by protease inhibitors. Thus this will inhibit the viral assembly and formation of full virus. Right, so these are the main drugs which are important. Fusion inhibitors are enfuvirtide. So we are going to learn one by one all the drugs which are involved in HIV. Thank you for watching.